Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two cryptocurrency apps. When choosing a cryptocurrency platform, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Crypto.com and Coinbase is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Crypto.com and Coinbase offer various account types tailored to different user needs. Crypto.com provides a standard account and a Crypto.com Visa card account. Users can also access a DeFi wallet for decentralized finance activities. Coinbase offers standard accounts for trading, Coinbase Pro for advanced traders, and a Coinbase wallet for decentralized finance and crypto storage. User interface and experience. Ease of use and accessibility are critical for both novice and experienced traders. Crypto.com features a user-friendly mobile app with a sleek design, offering easy navigation for buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrencies. Coinbase, known for its intuitive interface, Coinbase makes it easy for beginners to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency offerings. The range of available cryptocurrencies can influence platform choice. Crypto.com supports over 250 cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins. Coinbase offers around 150 cryptocurrencies, including well-known assets and emerging tokens. Security. Security measures are paramount for safeguarding user assets. Crypto.com utilizes industry-leading security practices, including cold storage for most assets, two-factor authentication, and insurance coverage. Coinbase, known for its robust security, uses two-factor authentication, and provides insurance coverage for digital assets. Customer support. Reliable customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Crypto.com offers 24/7 customer support via live chat and email. Coinbase provides customer support through email and a support ticket system. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is vital for managing cryptocurrencies on the go. Crypto.com, the mobile app is highly rated, offering full functionality for trading, staking, and managing the Crypto.com Visa card. Coinbase, the Coinbase app is user-friendly, which provides advanced trading features, making it convenient for on-the-go trading. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers and bonuses can add value for new users. Crypto.com frequently offers promotions such as sign-up bonuses, referral bonuses, and cashback rewards on the Crypto.com Visa card. Coinbase often provides promotions like sign-up bonuses and referral bonuses. Educational resources. Educational materials help users understand and navigate the crypto space. Crypto.com offers a blog, a detailed help center, and educational articles covering a wide range of topics related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Coinbase provides extensive educational resources, including Coinbase Earn, tutorials, and articles on cryptocurrency basics and advanced topics. Conclusion. Both Crypto.com and Coinbase offer comprehensive services and tools for various types of cryptocurrency users. Crypto.com is ideal for those seeking a wide range of cryptocurrencies, staking options, and additional financial services like the Crypto.com Visa card. Coinbase, with its user-friendly interface and robust security measures, is perfect for beginners and experienced traders looking for a reliable and well-regulated platform. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.